Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Open your cameras, all of you.
Good morning.
Good morning, beta. Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, children.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am. Ma'am, Samya Alicia present.
What, beta? Okay, children, what was the last thing we did? Shish, what was the last thing in SST that we did?
Ma'am, creative.
What completed? Have we? You all have completed both the maps?
No, ma'am, only one map.
Which map? Map of India?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, that political map that we have
Yes.
made.
Now tell me, I told you all to get a world physical map also. Do you have it with you, all of you?
Ma'am, I have.
Why no? Why still so many no's in class every time? You don't want to do map work? What about
Ma'am, which
world,
map?
world physical map? What about world physical map? I told you to get it. Now tomorrow, if anyone will not get, I will not care at all for that person. We are still
Okay,
going to
ma'am.
do the map work. It is your choice whether you want to bring it in the class and do map work or you just want to sit idle in the class. Tomorrow is the last call for world physical map. Is that clear to all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am.
Very nice, Athar. Very good.
Okay, ma'am, but please tell what we have to do today.
Mishti, you think that I wouldn't have told what we have to do today? If you wouldn't say this, I would not tell. Now everyone take out your English creative writing copies.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Have you all got your syllabus? Saw in the class group that your syllabus was posted.
Ma'am, please tell syllabus. Ma'am, please tell the exam of half yearly is offline or online.
Better be prepared for offline exam. Be prepared for offline exam.
So, ma'am, we have to come in school.
Yes, you will be told just 2 days prior to the exams, but you please get yourselves prepared for offline mode.
Okay, ma'am, I already come to do offline.
Okay,
Yes,
now children,
ma'am.
yes, what I was asking, did you see the syllabus you got yesterday? How many of you actually read the syllabus? Okay. Shish, did you find anything different in English creative?
No, ma'am.
No. So you have done all the topics?
No, ma'am, I'm started learning from science.
You started learning from science. Okay. In English creative writing, there is one more topic that has been added. Now, what is that topic? I told you 3 topics will be coming. Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, there is one more topic that has been added, which is unseen passage.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
ma'am.
there is
Yes,
an
ma'am.
addition of unseen passage. Now, what is an
Yes, ma'am.
unseen passage? A passage is given to you. You have to read that passage very carefully, and a few questions related to that passage are asked to you. Okay? So let's do it. Yes.
Ma'am, the questions will be written or you will ask in exam?
No, they will be written, beta. They will be written. And you have to give the answers also in written form.
Yes, ma'am. There's an informal letter, short story, picture description, and unseen passage.
Yes, yes. So now just let me share a screen with you of unseen passage. What unseen passage is, just have a look. This is just a very small unseen passage for an example. Now what you all will do, if you want to write this passage in your copies, you can write it down. Or if you just want to read it out 2-3 times, read it out and then try to answer the questions. Question answers definitely you have to write in the copy. Okay?
Ma'am, English creative.
Yes, beta, English creative. Now it is your choice whether you want to write this passage or you just want to read it out. That's it. Start reading on your own. You want me to share it on the class group? I'll do that.
Tell me, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
It is compulsory to give the paper in the offline mode.
Beta, you will get to know. Don't worry, you will get to know everything before your exams.
Okay, ma'am. It will be online or offline?
Children, be prepared for offline mode. Study hard for offline mode. You will get to know it very soon, whether it is going to be online or offline.
Ma'am, we not sure.
Many days left, so we can learn easily.
Yes.
Ma'am, we have to write only question answers.
Beta, it's
Ma'am,
your
this is
choice. It's your choice. If you want to write only questions.
Ma'am, we have to write. Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, what is the heading of this?
Now there is one
Ma'am, we
more.
have to write question.
Harsh, beta, can you see I'm speaking and you are talking in between? Let me finish first. The heading is unseen passage number 1. It is an unseen passage. I'll write in the chat box what you will write on the top.
Ma'am, what is written this one?
What?
Ma'am, we have to write only question answers.
Yes, beta, if you want to write passage, you can write the whole passage also. If you just want to read the passage and attempt all these questions, you can do it that ways also. 3 times I have told this thing. It is your choice.
Ma'am, what is the third line? The
First word, third line, first word.
yes.
It is shelter. And after doing this, the last question of this unseen passage will be, give an appropriate title to the passage. I will share this passage on the class group also on WhatsApp. I'm sharing it there. If you want to scroll up and down, please see from there.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I have read this paragraph. Ma'am, I'm not, sorry. Ma'am, I'm not writing the paragraph.
Okay, beta, don't write.
And I have done and I understand this paragraph.
What you have done, Rishabh?
Ma'am, I have read and I understand this paragraph.
Now what you are supposed to do, tell me.
Ma'am, I have to do question answers. Ma'am,
Just start doing the question answers in the copy. Write questions also and their answers. And put today's date, write the heading unseen passage.
Ma'am, I am writing my English creative. So, ma'am, I have written this also. Plant and trees gave us the oxygen. So we can.
Stuti, for the fourth time, I'm telling you, if you want to write it down, write it down. If you don't want to write, just read it and do question answers. Okay, beta?
Okay. This is written. Many animals use trees for. So, ma'am, what written?
Beta, many animals use trees for shelter and for food. Few animals eat food. Where do they get food from? From trees only, because they eat the leaves of trees. They eat the fruits, they eat the flowers. And many animals use it as a shelter, like they sit under it. Shelter is what? Shelter is where you live. What is your shelter? Your home is your shelter. So many animals use trees as shelter because birds make their homes on trees. Birds make their nests on trees. Monkeys live on trees. Yes. So it is a shelter for many animals and birds.
So, ma'am, we just have to write the answer given in the passage, or we can write on our own.
No, taking from this passage only. You have to extract from this passage only. The questions that are
Okay,
asked to
ma'am.
you, you will write answers from here.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, please scroll it down. Ma'am, 2 minutes. Ma'am, you said in WhatsApp. Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I cannot understand the second one.
Many animals use trees for shelter. What is shelter? Shelter is home. So, do you think animals use trees as their homes? Animals live on the trees. Owls live on the
Yes.
trees. Birds live. Monkeys live. Right? So, it is a shelter for many animals. And for food also. Because whatever fruits, flowers, leaves grow on these trees, animals eat them. What do herbivorous animals live on? Don't they live on trees?
Ma'am,
No, ma'am, they eat
That is what,
leaves.
beta, they live on means they depend on the trees for their food.
yes, ma'am.
Yes, herbivorous animals depend on trees for their food.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, we write the last question that what is the title of unseen passage?
Yes. Give an appropriate title to this passage. Give an appropriate title to this passage.